Hello, my name is Lisette Medina, and I am a second-year pharmacy student at California North State University, and today I'm presenting our project, Healthy Living on a Budget, a medication and lifestyle support program for underserved communities in Elk Grove, California. Our team's mission is to empower residents to save money, access affordable medications, and make healthier day-to-day choices, aligning directly with Walmart's mission to help patients live better and healthier lives. The participants of this project include myself, a second-year student, Shosib Alib, a second-year student as well, and Allison Kalamayan, a second-year student. Statement of the problem of our project. Elk Grove is one of the most diverse cities in California, and while the community is growing, many residents are facing significant health barriers. Low-income families, seniors, and immigrant communities often struggle with rising costs of medications, limited access to preventative care, and language or health literacy gaps. Chronic conditions like diabetes, high blood pressure, and high cholesterol are common, yet many people don't receive regular screenings or guidance on how to manage these conditions affordably. Our project aims to close that gap. Elk Grove's demographics. Elk Grove's population consists about 1/3 of residents identifying as Asian, nearly 1 in 5 as Hispanic or Latino, and about 1 in 10 as Black or African American. Nationally, Black and Hispanic adults are more likely to experience hypertension and diabetes, and Asian and Hispanic communities are seeing rising rates of type 2 diabetes, often underdiagnosed. Combined with cost, access, and health literacy barriers, these patterns put many Elk Grove residents at higher risk for unmanaged cholesterol, blood pressure, and diabetes, which is exactly what our project is designed to address. The main goal of this project is simple but meaningful: to help underserved Elk Grove residents manage chronic diseases more effectively by teaching them how to access affordable medications and adopt healthy lifestyle habits even with a limited budget. By combining medication education with real-life cost-saving strategies, we're helping families choose health without financial strain. Project objectives. To reach this goal, we created clear and measurable objectives. First, we aim to educate more than 200 residents on how to save money on medication using generics, $4 prescription programs, and smart OTC choices. Second, we will provide free blood pressure and glucose screenings to give community members immediate insight into their health. Third, we will create and distribute easy-to-understand health guides in multiple languages, including Spanish, Vietnamese, Hmong, and finally, we plan to host 1 or 2 community workshops and partner with local organizations to maximize our reach. Financial snapshot. Our implementation plan is designed to make the biggest impact with the resources we have. We will begin by creating multilingual educational materials that simplify medication savings and healthy habits. Next, we will host community workshops in accessible locations like community centers, schools, and churches. We will provide free blood pressure and glucose readings to help residents identify potential health risks. Our outreach team will distribute flyers, use social media, and collaborate with local organizations to ensure strong attendance. Finally, we will offer small incentives like pill organizers and wellness kits to encourage participation and retention. Our budget breakdown includes, with the $2,500 award, every dollar is being used strategically. $300 will support printing and translation of educational materials. $600 will fund our workshops, including menu supplies and healthy snacks. $700 will purchase screening equipment like blood pressure cuffs, glucometers, and testing strips. $200 is reserved for outreach materials, and $400 will go toward participant incentives, and the remaining $300 provides flexibility for additional supplies or unexpected costs. This budget ensures a high-impact project that is sustainable and cost-effective. Sustainability Plan. One of our priorities is ensuring that this project continues far beyond the competition timeline. We plan to build long-term partnerships with local clinics, senior centers, immigrant resource organizations, and Elk Grove Unified School District. The equipment we purchase, like blood pressure cuffs and wellness kits, can be reused for future events. Our SNAFED chapter will continue running these workshops annually and quarterly, and we will seek additional funding through Walmart community grants and local health foundations to keep the program going. Community impact. This project creates meaningful, measurable impact in several ways. Residents will gain the knowledge and tools they need to afford medications and make healthy decisions. Screenings will help catch chronic conditions early, potentially preventing serious complications. Families will receive culturally appropriate health information that's easy to understand. By lowering financial and educational barriers, we're supporting long-term health improvements and empowering underserved communities to take control of their well-being. Ultimately, the project helps people save money and live healthier lives, the heart of both SNAFWA's mission and Walmart's mission. Overall, this project creates meaningful, measurable impact in several ways. Residents will gain the knowledge and tools they need to afford medications and make healthy decisions. Screenings will help catch chronic conditions early, potentially preventing serious complications. Families will receive culturally appropriate health information that's easy to understand. By lowering financial and educational barriers, we're supporting long-term health improvements and empowering underserved communities to take control of their well-being. With your support, we can make a real and lasting difference in the lives of people who need the most in Elk Grove. Thank you for your time and consideration.